Abantu abaningi abaclaimayo the kingship and the prince whatever of
Yeah, sort it out. Yeah.
yeah baningi abaclaimayo but khona le out yaseKaSlami ngiphume eKatlong ngihlala eVala khona le out le Maria Bode Staman
Yeah.
What's one?
Jonina yes if you listen to Jonina and if you listen to your neighbor here the way beke pusha ngakhona ama lines wakhe ukwaito wathathe kuJonina thina sabu kusho sesishiya
Ubani bobani.
Man, right.
Ubani nebo other.
woshilo because people were always thinking of Kwaito as a mat cleaning inyawo kuyo. But if you look at Kwaito birthed amapiano and all these other genres because this is a soundtrack that ushers us with democracy.
True that.
We started to have a cultural identity as abantu abamnyama because of Kwaito. Maybe let's start with music. Music, niyakhumbula H2O.
Yeah.
Yeah, H2O.
Men's no speech.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amongst the artists that I produced.
Yeah.
Yes.
H2O.
H2O feel their last album was produced by myself, not John Black. Yeah. You don't need to convince because at a grassroots level, Kwaito is one genre that has been musical. One genre that has been musical. Go back to TKZ. A lot of their songs, even Shibobo, it has that inference of an orchestral, notation. You go back to, the Godfather himself, Umduma Sile. The brass section is there. So if you were to analyze, Umduma Silela, the brass section is the one who introduced the brass section to Kwaito.
What inspired this symphony?
Why specifically symphony?
That's a good question. Symphony, one, we wanted to prove a point that Kwaito is not dead. Two, we wanted to prove a point that Kwaito is a cultural commander. Three, we wanted to prove a point of the musicality behind Kwaito.
What's your story? Let's tell it like Sunday Times, a gonna cast, let's tell it like. What's your story? Let's tell it like a gonna cast, bring a cup, time for tea time. What's your story? Let's hear it right. Like Sunday Times, a gonna cast, let's tell it like. What's your story? Let's get it right. A gonna cast, the #1 music podcast.
Ikhala isondele.
Yeah, isondele. Nawe uzokufaka.
Kufana at least
Yeah.
ikhona into engathi I know but goldish nyana kufana.
Kwaito symphony.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Kwaito in.
Oh, Kwaito in.
Yeah, no
symphony.
in deliberate.
How so?
Ingenile Kwaito. Ngithi nithi feel Kwaito. Abantu bathi feel so. Masithi Kwaito in. Sesiyayivusa ngenye angle.
Okay.
Ikwaito ahlahla ifanga and we're not just talking a hearsay. We are talking stats and numbers. Last year we hosted 2 events. Ngokulandelana besishana nje ngenyanga. Sold out. One in Pretoria, one in Gold Reef City.
We symphony.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is a testament ukuthi Kwaito ngeke ifuna nje sifake uSymphony kule Kwaito. Then I know simnandi.
Sure. That's how did you start with this where did it start, the idea?
The idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like tapping into territories abantu abangathephi kuzo. As someone who ideates and create concepts and stuff. I looked into the climate. People were saying, look, Kwaito is dead. Kwaito is dead. And if we were to analyze, how can you say your culture is dead? Because Kwaito is not just a musical genre. It's a soundtrack that raised a generation. I looked into that and said, okay, how can we spin off this and bring it back so that it can be well consumed and accepted? Well, fine. Even before the other symphonies, this is just that when you do symphonies, you must have money. It's not cheap. We had a 40-piece band.
I saw it, yeah.
Yeah, so you can't do that with a shoestring budget. So we had to build in silence. We had to strategize and build. Okay, fine, we're going to bring this and make our statement. Because if you look at Kwaito, how Kwaito came about, sinabantu abaningi abaclaimayo the kingship and the prince whatever of
Yeah, I'll sort it out. Yeah.
yeah abaningi abaclaimayo but khona le out yaseKaSlami ngiphume eKatlong sengihlala eVala
Right.
khona le out le Maria Bode Staman
Yeah.
Bathi bani?
Johnina
Jonina.
yes
Yes.
if you listen to Johnina and if you listen to your neighbor here the way beke iphusha ngakhona ama lines wakhe uKwaito wathathe kuJohnina thina saba ukusho sesishilo
Ubenebo bani?
Bani, khuluma. Khuluma ukuthi bani.
Ubani nebo other.
uwoshilo
The king of Kwaito.
uyayibona so if you go back I mean if you go back we had bubblegum.
Yeah.
The nice thing is that I'm also a music publisher. You know, we produce music. I'm active in the space of music.
Yeah.
I'm not just mushrooming doing this. We do this with the understanding. So you look into that fact here, bubblegum era. This is the era about Chico Twala, you know, about Sinyaka.
Yeah.
Yes, they were big in that era, and Kwaito came. So perhaps Arthur gave it a name, Uti Kwaito.
He popularized it.
Yeah, but he cannot claim what he founded Kwaito. Because the sound on its own, you know, there were people who were doing this sound.
Yeah.
Yes. So you cannot claim his sound. You might have given, let's say he named it.
Yeah.
If you want to claim it, I
okay.
named it to be Kwaito.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Coined
But-
it.
Yeah, he coined it. Yeah, but the sound is not his.
The sound
He didn't-
is not
He didn't
his.
come up with the sound.
The sound is not his. And hopefully this year, we'll prove this. We'll bring in some of the, you know, foundational artists who were involved in shaping the genre for what it is today.
Wait, before we continue, we didn't even introduce you, my kid. Please introduce you to our people. Yeah.
No, I wanted them to Google.
Yeah.
Yeah. Emotionally planning, but yeah, it is introduced. My name is Temba,
Yeah.
Temba Koza, known as Temba K. Perhaps you want to talk about what I do and all.
Yeah. How did you get into music? You said you didn't just mushroom from just now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm a music producer, TV producer.
What
we
did
do
you work on?
events and- Yeah, well, I'll mention it, but maybe let's start with music. Music, nekhumbula H2O.
Yeah.
Yeah, H2O.
Umenzi no Speed.
Yeah.
Yeah, amongst the artists that I produced.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes,
H2O.
nabo makuthiwa i-H2O ifile. Their last album was produced by myself, not John Black.
Mm.
Yeah.
Shout out.
So
Our page.
okay, that's just amongst. I'm trying to remember Queen, yeah. Bekuyimedi
Oh, yeah.
King.
Yeah. We
Okay.
also produced Queen Sisoko before Azoba Sokumfundisi,
Okay.
which is good. Shout out to Queen.
Shout out to Queen.
Yeah, I produced to Queen. I'm just trying to remember. There's a lot of artists I've worked with. I mean, around multiple genres. Your gospel, your kwaito, yeah, hip hop. You know, I'm trying to remember. There's just quite a lot of artists that I've worked with. I've worked as an artist and repertoire manager for some record labels. I've worked as a music publisher. I've worked also as umuntu oplaka labantu for ama airplay. You know, abanye struggle ukuthola airplay.
Yeah.
Abanye kumele bayithole nge-envelope.
Mm.
Yeah, but if you have influence, you get airplay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, sikho lapho ke bafethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've also produced TV. I've done a number of things for TV. My recent production was Dance Your Dumo, actually the one that I conceptualized. Yeah.
I remember
Dance
Dance You Dumo. Yeah.
Yeah, it came out of this small head. Yeah. So I conceptualized it and we produced it. I nominated SAFTAs alongside international formats. And people were saying, no, this is not a South African production. So I'm a person who believes in quality. Whatever we do, if it doesn't make noise, that means we are playing. So we believe in quality. We did it Dance Your Dumo. We had Abu Costa teach.
Yes,
May
yes.
his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
He was one of my resident judges, Nobuntle Mudisele. He be present Ntando Dumo. So yeah. Bengi posse yabo.
Yeah, but what happened? Why didn't you guys do season 2 of that?
Yeah, that's a conversation for another day. We are working on it. Look, Mina, I'm a businessman. So if it doesn't make sense business-wise, we can't be excited to be doing season 2 and 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just giving you a hint. It did well. People loved it. Personally, I brought in a sponsorship. There's a brand. Eyafaka imali ukuthi this thing yenzeke, you know. So after all, this thing's about business. It's not only about fame. ukuthi ubani wenzeni. So we're still talking nabantu base Auckland Park lapha.
Yeah.
So if we can agree, okay, fine, can we do it this way? At the end of the day, it must make sense to me business-wise. So if not,
Yeah.
we're going to pack it there. We're going to come up with another concept as a roller in you. Because at the end of the day, sesiyaguga yabona intshebe emhlophe yavela. Abantwana
Elizobheka mina le.
Abantwana
Not a
bazozibuza
winner,
ukuthi ayithoma bese ukubona wenza this
Yeah.
and this iva inyuka.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. So at the end of the day, into ekhawathikazi ukuthi we do things without business models.
Mm.
And what inspired i-symphony? Why ungayenzanga i-event
Ekwaito nje.
perform direct?
Why specifically
Why
simple?
specifically
Yeah, I
symphony?
think that's a good question. Symphony, one, we wanted to prove a point that Kwaito is not dead. Two, we wanted to prove a point that Kwaito is a cultural commander. Three, we wanted to prove a point of the musicality behind Kwaito. Hence, if you look at the logo of Kwaito in Symphony, there's a bucket head.
Yeah.
So our tagline is simple. Kasi now conducts its own orchestra. We wanted to take music, bese we enjoy emapashini, emaklabhini, so ufake now in concert halls. If you can check, even where we are hosting these symphonies, akusi indawo zabo la mshushu, indawo eziserious. I mean, Gold Reef
It's
City,
theater.
Yeah. The lyrical theater.
Lyric Theatre,
Yeah.
State Theatre, you know.
Yeah.
Those are serious venues.
You said you sold out.
Yeah, we did. We did in both venues. And come to think of it, 16th November, besise into the State Theatre. It was on a Sunday. That was a risking event because it's on a Sunday and it is raining.
Mm.
If you can remember, it was raining, heavily raining. But our people showed up.
Mm.
And big up to our people who are supporting the movement. You know, I was saying to my team, Mangu, you know, I said, Laban, where are they coming from? Because I was panicking. It's raining, heavily raining.
Yeah.
Abanye abantu bangifona ukuthi hey, you know, indlela ezivaliwe, N1 ivaliwe, sisuke eJozi, we are coming. I was surprised to learn that we had people who flew from Durban, we had people from Kimberley, we had people as far as Guyana coming.
Yeah.
Yes, to witness, you know, this thing engakazi yenzeke. Because people were always thinking of Kwaito as a mat, you know, imat utlini inyawo kuyo. But if you look at Kwaito birthed Amapiano and all these other genres, because this is a soundtrack that ushers us with democracy.
True that.
We started to have a cultural identity as abantu abamnyama because of Kwaito.
Kwaito.
And this is what Umdu, when we had a conversation, because I did speak to all the Amachita. We had a conversation and I said, look, Rodman, I want you to be in part of what we are doing in one of our shows. And surely you'll be in one of our shows. He mentioned something, but you know what, abantu bebesithatha kancane mabasibona sijampa emabheshini. And it is in the line of one of his
Yeah.
Anu Foundation.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this is what we wanted to prove. Look, I'm a firm believer on culture, and culture is currency. You know, so we just needed to spin it. We just needed to heighten it. So with the launch, we had the Trumpis, we had Uzola, Besnabantwana Bagamandos, and all of them on the first rehearsal with Isoweto Theatre Youth Orchestra, a 40-piece all-black orchestra. We also wanted to make a statement. Umntwana ovele kasi uzoyidlala iviolin.
99.
Yeah. Ophume kasi uzoyidlala saxophone. You know, all these instruments that are going with the symphony. All black. I don't have anything against white people. I work with them nicely.
Yeah.
But this time,
Yeah.
we're doing this for a culture. No. Aslande about that.
No,
To
I
prove a
like
point.
that. I like that. You actually,
So you're intentional.
Yeah.
We are intentional.
yeah. No,
Even
that's-
me coming here, it's
Yeah.
intentional.
Issue. Shout out to you.
But Prathemba, another. Okay, let's go back to the statement Ukuthi Kwaito is dead, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think people are saying that? And Mina, my answer to that would be, when last did we have a Kwaito album? When last did we have... it's not the same, man.
Yeah.
People have a reason why they are saying it's dead.
I do understand, but I think that is a myopic view.
Your peak,
Yeah,
Baba.
if you say something is
peak.
dead because it's not maybe ticking your boxes,
Yeah.
and
Oh.
and I'm saying this with respect for Ikwaito. You know, if you analyze Ikwaito, there's one interview I saw Gazwai with another guy. They were talking about a song. It's a choral song. Ikwaito song.
Yeah, I saw that.
You saw that, ne?
Yeah.
So you need to understand the roots of the genre. But this is not just music or nje, because a beat and stuff. You know, there was a high level of intentionality in creating the sound.
Mm.
You know, you can speak to anyone. You can speak to Mandla speaker. Mandla will tell you what a creative process yakhe ihamba njani.
Yeah.
You can speak to Gaby Rocks. Gaby will tell you what, you know what, when I was doing Nkalakatha, I was envisioning this and this. And that is a proof. How do you say Kwaito is dead, whereas in Nkalakatha, nge-Rugby World Cup, you color overseas now. Collecting international royalties. Do you say such a genre is dead? How do you say Kwaito is dead? Even today, nama comedians, they are playing...
Ngishaya a hit song now, Pratim. Ngishaya a hit song now, you're quite...
Uchimbufuna carry.
Yeah, who's pushing their flag? I mean,
Pushing the flag.
a lot of the artists, unfortunately,
I'll
they've
tell
left
you,
us. You know,
there's a young man that is coming, and we featured this young guy, Ustutula, out as a Tembis. Yeah, don't sleep on Ustutula. Ustutula is coming.
I think in bones to do. Yeah.
Yeah, umcheck nakuma socials nje upushile nabe Kwaito. Khona nakuma socials. We actually had him as a new artist. Sabana Gold Reef City with a 40-piece orchestra. He was scared today. T-Man, can I be able to perform this? Not worry. Ukhuluma producer futhi here.
Yeah.
So ngizokchannel ngizoguide and he brought the house down. Ustutula. I will speak to my team to share, you know, ama-clips.
Ama-clips.
Yeah, so that singakhulumi kakhulu abantu bayibonele.
Yeah.
Yeah, akhona ama-clips, akhona sinawo ama-clips besiwashuta nge-4K. Umuntu wequality ke mina. 4K quality. Ustutula ke lo.
Cameraman uzwile. Okay.
We'll have a 4K.
What do you think about the fusion Kwaito and Piano?
Yeah.
Almost came up. Is it something that you're embracing or?
We are embracing that, and that's a good question. In our other concert, BCNZ Gold Reef City, we had Lumchita Wamagumba,
Yeah.
Ukadie. Yeah, we had Ukadie. That's how we are embracing the fusion, because if you look at Ukadie, he's not actually an amapiano artist. He's a producer in his own right. The story of Amagumba is a song that has been neglected. And then 2 years later, yaba a hit song. It goes back to Lento ukuthi abantu babulale into because it's not appealing to them now.
Yeah.
Omunye music create unga appeal now because akusu music ohamba nomoya. Music that is created to stand. You know what? I will share the clips. There's something that happened. Partner in the Soweto Theatre. So we're doing our rehearsals at Soweto Theatre.
Sure.
And there was one event beyenziwe uKismus wabogogo. We're rehearsing there. Abogogo get crushed. Bangena ku rehearsal. Uzola rehearsal with the orchestra. Awubonanga abogogo ngamadondolo lapho bakhomba u7 phezulu. Nginawo ama clips. Angikhulumi ngento engekho. So how do you say something like that is dead?
But is it appealing to the youngins now?
Yes. Now we are coming to the market segment.
Yeah.
Of which fine we'll talk to that. But I'm a person of more, you know, the marketer in me is thinking about the personas. Singakhuluma ngama segment. Fine, we'll talk about segment because you brought it up. It is. Ikwaito in Symphony is one concert where you'll find umuntu ona 70 years and uthola umuntu ona 7, 10, 19, like all the segments being fairly represented. It's actually what we can call i-jazz yaleso sikhathi. You can come with your family and still enjoy the music.
Okay.
It appeals to everyone because you know in all our events we also capture clips, interview our attendees, you know, the young audience will tell you, you know what, I am reintroduced to Ikwaito. I am reintroduced to Ikwaito. Yes, I used to hear these songs, but now I am reintroduced. I never thought this sound can be elevated to this pedigree. And that's what we have done with Ikwaito in Symphony.
Since it's symphony, classic
Yes.
discipline, how did you convince Nabantu? No, I want to bring Ikwaito into your space.
You don't need to convince, because at a grassroots level, Kwaito is one genre that has been musical. One genre that has been musical. Go back to TKZ. A lot of their songs, even Shibobo,
Yeah.
you know, it has that inference of an orchestral, you know, notation. You go back to, you know, the Godfather himself, Umduma Sile.
Yeah.
You know, the brass section is there. So if you were to analyze, Umduma Silela, Begababulala nge brass section, is the one who introduced the brass section to Ikwaito. I had a conversation with a man.
Yeah. So the time you were planning the symphony, did you have an artist in mind?
I had all the artists in mind. I had even the long-term plan for this. So this is not a once-off thing, it's a movement.
It's a movement.
You see. So when I spoke to Uzola at least had a vision of this thing. Although yena bekayibizwa Ikwaito opera. You remember Don't Cry,
Yeah.
Uzola.
Yes,
Yes. Uthembi was,
Yeah.
she, may her soul rest in peace. She was a classical vocal trained.
That lady died.
Yeah, she passed on.
Oh no, man.
She passed on, and when we are performing Ikwaito in Symphony,
Oh,
we have
shit. I didn't
auditioned
know.
and Satolu Tembo Musha, who's actually killing those lines. Someone from Ekasi ongena opera background, but is able to sing those lines and kill it. That's how much we believe in Kasi. So if you look at our CI, corporate identity, bucket head, Ikwaito, Ntwase Kasi,
Okay.
we are all like that. You see these lines.
Soifara la, bayibona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sizoyifaka bayibona lama line lawa lapha. Classical music is based on a linear structure.
Yes.
So we're not killing that. We are
Yes.
bringing that linear structure.
Yes.
But the bass clef, it's about Ikwaito. Ikwaito is not Kwaito without a tight bass line. If you were to analyze wonke ama-tracks abe-big kweKwaito, i-bass line is sick.
What comes to your mind? The song you based on Timber.
I don't know. What comes to you? Yeah.
The bass line.
The bass line.
Even labo bazokubulala nje, they are the kings of bass lines. uMandla kadlali nge-bass line. You know, when we were working with performance and structuring, I had to bring facilitators, because with orchestra you break in our teams. Kono or facilitator
Yes.
my wings.
Yes.
Kono facilitator, you know, each and every horn section and whatnot. We break it down. And I had to say to them, gents, you need to understand we are working with a legend here. And then ningathinti bass line. Whatever you do, put layers, put whatever, the crescendos, but ningathinti bass line.
Needs to be there.
Leave the bass line as it is. Because this man, Nzola no speak here, man ngatinti bass line. And it happened that way in our rehearsals. He had to always call them to order. No, bass line elengomihamba so. And then they had to stay with bass line.
Yeah, now you're touching on a question I wanted to ask. What's the process then of taking a song and then the orchestra, like the whole process? Just explain the process, Nji.
Yeah.
How it goes.
So first, we align the songs that we receive with the theme that we're wanting to deliver.
Okay.
Sorry, each and every show has a theme. It's theme-based. We are theme-based in everything we do. So the first process, we look into that song, analyze the song.
Who looks? You?
Yeah, I do that.
The actual artist?
I do that, and then before I can give it to, we do have a conductor.
Okay,
We do have
yes.
music directors.
Yeah, right.
We do have facilitators.
Okay.
Before I can give them that, I must give them a brief. Yes, an orchestral brief.
Okay.
Where I tell them, okay, this song, especially with Mandoza's song, hey, we struggled. In Ngomas Mandoza, that is a proof. Yabona labelung. They are classical inclined, because a lot of catalog Mandoza they produce abelung.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we had to give a clear brief that is classical inclined. But hey, these songs must go like this. Don't mess with these songs, you know. So the style, the way they play, you know. So we have to be even scholastic in the way we approach. With the way you play here.
Scholastic.
Yeah. Music unesikolo. So we have to bring in that element to say, yeah, here we play it like this. So in all the results, we took more time. Not because they are complicated, but because of the sheer appreciation of the musicality. So we start there. I give them an orchestral guide, Utama strings as Hambanjani, pizzicato or whatever feel. Because we don't just put Utama strings, we may have a feel, and that feel is a name, you know. So we speak to all that. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, the brass section. What dominates?
Yeah.
What is the dominating instrument?
Very interesting.
How do we heighten this?
Shit.
You know, there's a song. When we're raising, Umfas Gamandoza was there. She cried. I brought in the choir, the Thonipi Life Boy. I told Abantwana Bamandoza, boys, this song was written for you. Don't sing this song as if you are doing it for a third party. It was for you. Be in the song. Your father was telling you to respect life. I want to, as you do this song, respond as if you are responding to your father. We brought in the choir there. The song was elevated.
Sure.
Sister Lami lahluleka ukuzibamba.
Sure.
So balethi delivery yakho ntwana. Uthi something.
So that is the beauty of music or created with passion. Unlike amapiano, hey, we've got a lot of songs.
Wait, you are running away from Matala. Mamela, you
Oh, the
said
process.
the process, yeah.
Okay,
You
it's
give
fine.
you give the brief and then the process.
After I've given the brief, then the music director and the conductor will then develop a score.
Are the artists there? As in like trompists is there, or are they there at that time? Or
There is a consultative process
Right.
that is happening.
Right.
We don't exclude them.
Okay.
Hence we are saying, Kasi now conduct its own orchestra.
dope.
So now if you have maybe, let's say Uzola, you allow Zola to conduct. But when now you tie in everything, everything must be scored, everything must be musical. You allow him to adjust how he feels. Because Angita Abanye, they didn't go to music school. They performing a feeling.
Yes.
So you don't kill that feeling. So now we are merging the two worlds,
I
which
like
were
that.
far apart.
I like that.
So that's how we work on the process. So after they've scored the music, we break down the ama groups. Laba bama horn section, they go and deal with their horn section. By rehearse, and then everything is played live. We don't have backtrack. I see a symphony, I drink a blue and what. Yeah.
Shots fired! Ba, 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 ba.
I'm not firing shots. Ngikhuluma nje iqiniso ama-facts. Ukuze abantu abake ba-attenda ikwaito in symphony, they can comment bakutshele.
Kunama backtracks da.
Yeah, akhona ama-backtracks. They were playing ama-backtracks.
Eh.
Kulawo amanye ama-symphony. La sidlala live. You know, we are deliberate. This 40-piece, there is a percussion, a groove. Khona abantu abawu-4 badlala i-percussion. Ku-percussion khona ama-toys. You know.
Laba-
Shaker and whatnot.
We get the
Yeah, mari chiki
Isheka yethu asiyithathi ku-Fruity Loops. Isheka yethu i-live.
Yeah.
That is the symphony. Yeah.
So
40-piece.
since you said Yokinto, it's based on a theme. So the show you say lyric theater, there's a state theater differ.
Yes, they differed.
Yes. How so?
Okay. We know Pretoria is the capital city of South Africa. State Theatre is the biggest theatre in Africa. So we were launching a state theatre, and the statement we were making is that we are taking this symphony to Africa first.
Okay.
So the theme was resonating with that. Even our symphony, we don't downplay the African sounds. Hence those shakers and
Oh, I
the
like
toys.
that. I like that.
Yeah, because
I
we
like
cannot
that.
always speak
I like
Europe.
that.
We are Africans. Now Kasi is conducting its own orchestra. And we don't dilute our identity in doing so. We are Africans, not Europeans.
Nah, I think this episode you're gonna name it Kasi conducting its own orchestra. Yeah, this
It has been about
yeah,
that.
no.
Yeah.
Nah.
So and I thank God. Look, people came in numbers, even well-known celebs. We even had the deputy arts and culture director was there. You know, yeah, to witness this, something that has never been done, and we did it.
Do you think this, what you're doing with your team, you are also ngathini, adding into into documenting kwaito?
Yes, we are working into documenting Ikwaito, and we, in the future versions of Ikwaito in Symphony, will be broadcasting this. We're still talking to broadcast partners. A broadcast partner engalalanga. Sizojampa naye. Labalele abalale. So because this is a cultural asset. And we want to take this even into a scholarly level.
Yes,
So
yes,
besides
yes, yeah.
documenting, we are archiving. It will be nice to have a scholar who can write about the resurgence of Kwaito
Yeah.
being heightened and reimagined with a fusion of Kwaito and African symphony. As a paper, one INA doctorate for that. That's what we are looking at. Because we cannot kill Kwaito as part of our culture. So we want to take this even into the academic cycles.
You're also answering the critics who Kwaito Aksu music.
Exactly.
You show them the classic.
Exactly.
Really takes in our elements where classic.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can have a conversation with Zoibala. Zoi studied music. And when he was creating, for TKZ, you can hear good Norman. Lomundo o creator is classical, une background in classic and stuff. You go back about KB, producer Luzola. Even today, Umdlwembe, people are singing Umdlwembe. Abantwana abancane, they're singing Umdlwembe. I saw there's a video, a skit at TikTok. Someone from Swaziland, gospel somebody. Kula version yakhe yomdlwembe. 5 million views.
Yeah.
I'm sure you saw it.
Okay.
No, uyibheke usearch uzoyibona,
Yeah.
it's trending. Even Zola reposted it. So this shows how much people appreciate this culture.
So how do you think then the symphony? I'm just trying to tie it back to the mainstream Kwaito.
Yeah.
Would then the symphony bring us other new Kwaito artists? Because you're actually working. You mentioned Tutula, right?
Tutula, yeah.
Yeah, but you are working with people who've been there, Abu Trompisi, Zola, and stuff.
Yeah.
Do you think this will just maybe bring a resurgence into people wanting to do Kwaito again?
Yes, it is already doing that. The same Tutula is got a new song, no Sanza Makofi.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
if you listen to that
okay,
song,
I know Stutula now. Okay,
you can already
Nyambona,
hear
the sons, yeah.
Ukuthi when they were creating that song, they were thinking Kwaito in symphony. Because if into having a musical, I'm not gonna book them. And we make sure that we pay them fairly. It's important because we must create jobs and we must honor the legends, even those who are running with the baton. There's something in our corporate identity. You understand? Classical music, the baton, Iliandu, conduct.
Yeah.
Tina, si conductor stick so menches. When
Ah.
I did the interview, and I don't want to mention the platform, but it's one of the biggest African news platforms, Zola. Yeah, I was putting a stick.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
We are intentional about everything. So Tina, we're using a stick. With no Kasi is conducting its own orchestra. We don't want
back
about
to that.
Beethoven. We respect what they've done and we appreciate. But we are taking part of what classic has brought in Mzansi and putting our culture to it. Because whoever thought Ukuthi Kwaito will be a genre that lives in these concert halls? Nobody thought about that. But we are living in those spaces now.
How's the reception from, I don't want to say white people, I don't want to use that term, but from the classical community or from the orchestra community in terms of Kwaito in symphony? And has this also maybe opened another door to take it internationally? Has it gone internationally?
Very good question. The reception has been very good. At Gold Reef City, kwaba khona umlungu because our car was branded. Kwaba khona umlungu ongicela itikiti. Ukuthi please, I need to see this. lo mlungu lo bekevakashile la eJoburg uphume UK.
Okay.
Ngamnika iticket ngathi come. Afterwards we had a chat. Wow, I've never seen something like this. This is actually beautiful. This is, he liked that. When we were in Pretoria, ngoba khona belungu abangifonelayo. We want abantwana baka Mandoza. You know, Mandoza nabelungu.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the reception. So we're intentional about everything. We had a turnout yabelungu abaningi in Pretoria because of abantwana baka Mandoza. And they were dancing to Inkalagata. So I want you to picture this. Normally a classical music concert will be so composed, you are sitting and showing emotions, you are transported to another world. But with Kwaito in Symphony, people will stand from those chairs and dance along. I'll make an example ngoZola. uZola maka perform awuthanda ukuya ebantwini.
Yeah.
You leave that huge stage angene ebantwini. So we are turning this thing around. But ukusase Kwaito in Symphony.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now that you talk about the reception, right, and bringing the worlds together, which side do you think had to compromise? Because we had an episode about symphony
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
how classical you sit down, you respect against the craft.
Yeah.
But now you're bringing the strength into this element. Was there a conversation of, okay, this genre must compromise this aspect, and Kwaito must also compromise this aspect? What was that arrangement like?
Yeah, it is an interesting question.
Very
We
interesting.
did have a conversation about that, especially the music directors and the conductor. We spoke about that. And what we had agreed is that these worlds are coming together. Let it be not about compromising, but let it be about collaboration. Akekho umuntu we-hip hop. Compromising, collaboration. Sengikufanele.
Went over here.
Usually,
So it's not about compromising, but we collaborate because we treat each song differently. The way each song is built up, I'll make an example. Ngengoma kaZola uMdlwembe. It is that hardcore Kasi song.
yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
And people love this song. So we don't want to dilute it.
Okay.
We don't want to dilute the Kasi essence. in
Yeah.
it.
The rawness of
We
it.
want it to be raw.
Yeah.
So you'll have bass, ibhodla lapho. You'll have your kick and drum kicking. But there are moments where you allow the orchestra to shine. So now this is where we are grateful to having worked with, conductors and music directors who are able to understand the vision and who are respecting both genres. Yes, I've studied classical music, but also I'm respecting Kwaito. I don't want to give the patrons something that is diluted. So you see, there's an element of collaboration.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's no competition, there's no compromise.
Mm.
We are crafting a new story because, and I will emphasize this, in the scholarly setup or cycles, we will have a score, Sika Nkalagata, we'll have a score, Sika Mdlwembe, which now a lecture in those rooms, people will be lectured about Mdlwembe, bafundiswa classic music. That is where we are pushing this. Because we are scoring this music, same even with Ishmael, Avulekile Masango. We have written a score and he posted the score as share Aguma platform one. This is what we want. And what it does, you spoke about the reception international.
Yes.
We've got a 5-year plan. We are starting in Africa intentionally.
All right.
Yeah, we are starting in Africa, and then after Africa, we'll go to UK, US. It's easy to go there because if you've got a scored and written music, you can work with any orchestra in the world. You give them the score, they do their part, you fly, you go there, and then you have a show. No compromise, but collaboration.
Yeah.
Because at least music that could not be written can now be written. And once music is written, it can be archived. And if it is archived, it can be referenced on a scholarly level.
Nifaka iKwaito ku private school.
Siyifaka ku private school.
Seskela, no. That's nice, man. That's very nice. Did you ever have, I mean, we're talking all positives, yeah. Did you maybe have a pushback from other artists? Because you've worked with, it's only a few, man, right?
Yeah, it's only a few.
Zola, is part of it.
We had a conversation. He wanted to be part of it.
Mm.
He was doing a one-man show.
Okay.
So I said, no, let him focus on the one-man show.
Mm.
When that is done,
Mm.
then we can loop him in. We had a conversation with the trompists.
Mm.
So they will be doing their own symphony trompists.
Okay.
Yes, this year. They're working on something for this year.
Not with you.
No, not with me.
Okay.
So you also need to understand how people position their brands. It was not actually a pushback, but it was to say, this came at the right time, but we are currently planning something.
Okay.
So I had to respect it and say, no,
Okay.
it's fine. Push that one because theirs will be a recording. Obviously, they will monetize and have an album that is
Okay.
recorded.
Okay.
So
Makes
after
sense.
that, then we can now have conversations to say, okay, maybe the Durban tour, can you be part of it? You know, I've been talking to Ukabelo himself, Babalana. I've been talking to even their manager, Urifilwe, you know. Yeah. So I can't say there's pushback.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were actually happy to collaborate. But yeah, I needed to give them that space for them to do what they want to do.
Mm.
And then afterwards, we'll have a different
But
conversation.
angiyazi kuna abumakhola ngubona.
Yeah,
Maybe
bakhona,
there
for
was
sure.
doubters before.
Yeah.
After
for sure.
after seeing the reception, you're like, yo, actually,
I won't lie to
this
you.
can work.
You know, I respect Zola, one, for humility, two, for Ubuntu.
Yeah.
You know, when we brought in Uzola zanganyatse what we're doing.
Yeah.
And it worked for him.
Okay.
Yeah, it worked for him. People had thought, hey, Uzola, hey, uphelile ngaye, blah, blah, blah. They spoke all ill, talk about Zola. But after his symphony, you know, we started to see an increase. We are very friends with the manager of Zola. We are very good friends. We started to see an
Yeah.
increase in
Brazola,
capability.
please come through. Come through. Come through.
Yebo.
To the phone.
So, one thing about Zola, there's a side ka Zola abantu abangayazi, musical. I have a high respect for Zola. Zola will come, ashaye 7 songs, kurezal, without a voice ukuthi ishe or whatsoever. That is to also prove ukuthi Zola is a musical maestro, musical genius. You understand?
Yeah.
And if you were to analyze the approach ka Zola, Zola is not only a kwaito artist. Singamkhethi kukwaito kuphela. Umfaka ku-hip hop ukhona uyarhyma unamabhazi
Yeah.
umfaka
ukhona,
ku-gospel
man.
uzokushaya ngenamba. That's why even uCasper, they did this song Thengiwe.
Thank you.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that you can't listen to that song without reminiscing and thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
But
vocalist,
emotional.
he's taking you to another layer. You know, he is delivering. I'm a vocalist. You listen to Don't Cry.
Yeah.
So vocal is there. I don't know how to. I can't box Uzola. Umfaka
true.
ku-gospel. So
It's true what you say.
in our future events, nizombona sinini ku-gospel event Uzola. You know, hip hop, whatever, we'll be doing a hip hop because we've got something for hip hop as well. Nizombona khona because you can't box him.
You're doing an orchestra for hip hop.
Yeah, there is an orchestra we're bringing for hip hop,
SA hip hop.
SA hip hop.
Yeah.
But I don't want to talk much about it.
Yeah.
Sizoyenzele eRustenburg though. I'm just giving you the hints.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yabona
Yeah.
yithi.
Yeah.
First thing, you heard it here first.
Yeah, I was going to
Yeah, but
cast
yeah,
first.
I can talk about it because we trademark our things.
Okay.
Yeah. Obviously, one will say, no, you can't trademark a concept and all that. Akazama uzodila namalawyers wami. So we've got a concept coming. We've got a concept ekuthiwa Motswako Lee Orchestra. That is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the rollout is completely different from Kwaito in Symphony.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So watch the space.
No.
So
yeah.
how did you market the entire thing?
The Kwaito in Symphony.
Yeah.
I marketed Kwaito in Symphony not as an event, but as a concept.
Okay.
That is why every door was always open. Some other doors, some other media houses were calling us. Because this is, you know, in anything you do, you must always have a unique selling point. Yeah, unique selling point. What sets you apart from the rest? So we brought that, and it was easy for us to be in those platforms. It was easy for us, you know, we were on national radios, many platforms, commercial, public, you know,
Yeah.
in a short space of time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in terms of marketing, we had strategic partnerships like your Power FM.
Yeah.
And I can say it. I'm not selling their brand. It's because they are my partner.
I don't worry, you're not competing with them, so we can.
Yeah. So you're not competing with them. So, you know, we needed to place this at the right place. You look at Power FM speaks to the audience, the generation that is raised by this soundtrack.
Yeah, now you see, now you're going back to what I said, which, like, you are speaking to people who grew up with Kwaito. Does it
True.
tap into the youngins now?
Because the medium that you use is traditional, right?
It's not only traditional. We use all mediums. We use social media. But obviously, you know your key target market. We spoke about this segmentation,
Yeah.
Yes.
of which I believe marketing yearly meter, but we are not on a marketing lecture. It's fine. We are here. So let me give you this. We do have youngsters. Ama 2000 athandi kwaito. Bakhona. Ama influencers. You go to TikTok, you'll find them. They are there. So you can't tell me ukuthi kwaito is only for abadala. But yes, youth and dala might have 60% margin. At all. And then we are looking into both markets. Youth and dala, nalababa appreciate the evolvement, the evolution of music. Because I want you to think with me, the symphony subcategory in abantu bayo kunabantu abathanda uku-attend ama-symphony.
Yeah.
That's another market.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uyayithola?
Yeah.
Bese kubakhona ke abantu aba-curious ukuthi hayi ngifuna ukubona le kwaito uma ihlangana nalento kwenzakalani. But the feedback we always get in all the concerts we've hosted ukuthi you owe us nothing. You can Google and check. No one will tell you that hey, sound was bad. We late. We are professional like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are not playing games here. We know what we are doing.
Abashanga lesi slogan sakuthi
Kasi now
Yeah,
conducts
that's
its own orchestra.
I Abashanga is the slogan.
We are doing it with excellence.
Yeah.
Sure.
No, I like that.
We
I
are doing
really
it
like
with
that. Yeah.
excellence.
As I said, you are taking Kwaito to private school.
Yeah.
Like,
Exactly.
isn't it? Are we gonna hear a professor? Are we gonna hear a Briggs?
Yeah, for
Are we
sure.
gonna hear?
For sure.
You know.
You know, I was talking to Cleo when they said Briggs uphumile, waphuma ubuyela. If you remember. You remember?
yeah, it's really
Yeah, I
nice.
did speak to Cleo. I wanted to Briggs, especially for young 20, but only to find out ish. But as soon as Briggs are out, most definitely, it will be nice. Think about it. Sweetie My Baby with orchestra.
Hey.
I
Shit.
told you,
There's
Kwaito
a
is
lot of
Kwaito
songs,
with, you know,
man.
that bass line.
Yeah.
So umuzwa lapha sekashaya
Eish.
take out.
Think about it with the orchestra. being now backed with the strings, being backed with, you know, all the entire mighty sounds and glorious sounds, the orchestra. Definitely, that is quite elevated.
TKZ.
Yes.
Since you spoke about
Ukabela.
no
Uzwai.
Uzwai being
Uzwai, yeah.
Oh.
having a musical background and
For
stuff.
sure. We had a conversation. Bamanejwa urefilwe. So I don't want people bathi mhlambe ngiyaclaim. Ikhona conversation la kuma phone. You understand?
Yeah.
We had a conversation in the management yabo. The only thing eyenza ukuthi TKZ ingabe iphathi ye-symphony la oswenzile is because they are planning something.
Yeah.
So you see, lezi zinto zihamba nama-IP angithi.
Yeah.
Ikwaito in symphony, obviously, when you participate, if we take this to license it maybe to that public broadcaster or the other private LIA Rosebank, you know, we need to do the clearance of rights. It's no longer the Kwaito song like you know it.
Yeah.
Now, I've put money in this.
Okay.
There's a creative input.
Okay.
So the split is not only going to you.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to disturb their plan because they've got a commercial plan with TKC.
Okay.
I wanted them to run with that.
Mm.
And I will support. I'll be part of that. I told Refilwe to say, if you need me, I will come and support.
Yeah.
I am for the movement.
I saw they were celebrating, I don't know, it's with they collaborated Methesis last year.
Yes,
Yeah.
They celebrated the Halloween album.
exactly.
Yeah.
And these are the things we want to see happening. Most definitely, we will do one with the TKZ. We will do also even with Utebe Linyora. You know,
Hey,
The
that
only
was-
sad thing is that
Hey.
we lost so many.
yeah, I
people
mean, like,
quite,
yo,
man.
it would have been nice.
we did, but if you look at it this way, the legacy continues. Abantwana bakaMandoza, we tested the concept. You know, they came on board, they performed, and people were wowed to say, wow, uMandoza uvukile. especially khona le ntwana le uTukulo ofana noMandoza vela, even in posture and appearance. You know, after the Pretoria, the reviews were like, wow, yeah, Mandoza, this and that, you know. So with what Zola did, ngabantwana baka Brown Dash, in one performance, it was not a symphony performance, it was just a normal performance. But wabafaka it because they collaborated in a time lab. Go Puff and Pass. Abantwana baka Brown Dash were performing there.
Yeah.
So I committed myself with, look, we're gonna have abantwana baka Brown Dash in the upcoming symphonies. You know, doing a tribute performance kaBabu wabo yenzwa yibo.
You know who I would like to see? Umzambi.
Yeah.
Besikhuluma ngaye Masiza. Nolifa besikhuluma ngaye.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
Umzambi for sure.
he's been under the radar
Yeah.
for so long.
Yeah.
No, most definitely.
Yeah.
Zambia is also in one of our plans, as we are planning 3 tours this year in
Okay.
different regions.
Okay.
So people must just keep following our socials. They will get the updates there. Kwaito in Symphony. Maungat Google uthi Kwaito in Symphony izokuvezela. Uzoyibona
Yeah.
TikTok, imeta yabhethi Facebook. Asayingeni ndaba yakho. But the other platforms imnandi. Yabo.
So talk to me about the complications. I heard you talking about the splits and yeah, the IP and all of that. What complications are you facing when you try to take a normal track and then turn it into a symphony or score the actual track?
No, to score and to reimagine it is not an issue.
Yeah.
Fana nokwenza cover. There is a clause in publishing that makes a provision for that. It's not an issue. The issue starts when you want to commercialize.
Oh, okay.
I hope you get me.
Okay, I get you.
Lento
Yeah.
fana nani?
Yeah, I get you.
When I'm producing a TV show, kumele ngisponsor music wakho. Kumele ngisayine i-sync rights now. We must negotiate. Mawuthi ufuna 200k for i-track lakho ukuthi ngilispanise, I pay you out and then mina I synchronize and use it in whatever platform, including gaming if I have to take it to
Okay.
gaming. So the conversation now shifts to commercialization.
Okay.
Yabona?
Yeah.
So nathi when we do this with a mind of commercializing in future, not
Obviously, yeah.
only
You
beyond,
said you're a businessman at the end of the day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's like that. So if we come to you and we are bamba, siyakujumpa, uzoyibamba phambili train. Khona abantu abayibamba staff angithi.
Yeah, corner
But
very
phambili
isparapara.
sizofika. Uzoyibamba staff, but siyaphambili. When you start to see what symphony does to others, and I can tell you, and I'm not bragging, I'm happy to see this. Any artist that has been part of this, it's more like an inauguration to say you are a legend.
Manje nizomlanda lo Butwala legend.
Lo Butwala, ngizomfonela futhi lo Butwala. You know one question he asked me last month ngikhuluma naye, hey, i-stage sase-lyrics incane. Ngathi hayi, hey mina ngizana ama-dancer amaningi, it's fine, we can come with your dancers, we can always make it work. So we were keen. Just that bengisatshela usisi lapho of the dynamics. It's just few things that we need to correct. Yabona? Because when we do this is business. And nangiyazi uyi-businessman.
Yeah.
Yeah. So asenzelana ama-favor. When I approach you as an artist, angisiyi-fan yakho, sizoyenza i-business. Nongibambela, I move forward.
Yeah, hey, Thanda ile, hey.
I have worked with big names.
Yeah.
And we've made big names. You understand me?
Yeah.
So if when uzifonela zifonele but thina siyayenza lento le.
Yeah, sure.
With or without. Yeah, if you want to be part of it, our doors are open. Yabona? Yeah, even a pitch black afro, nice as I'm far. Baningi.
Yeah, bye-bye, man. Bye-bye.
So one thing I love about this movement, it's more like a revival. Because even nago lama artists a featurewayo, a performayo, you know, kuba into ukuthi wow. I had a dream, like Ishmael, you speak to Ishmael stated, you know what, one of my dreams was to perform with an orchestra. So this was a dream come true.
Yeah. No, that's nice,
This
man.
is what we are all about.
No, that's so dope, bro.
So in future, will the music that is being performed maybe compiled into maybe an album?
Yeah, for sure.
Offered to be-
We are looking to do that. It will be compiled into an album. We'll be having a documentary, and we'll monetize the content. Not only looking at local partners, even we are thinking BBC.
Yes.
So we are not
International.
myopic in our thinking and vision, the way we view things. you know, we have foresight, because when you talk about vision, you have to have sight, insight, and foresight. So as pelel kulo ke sikubonayo.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is culture. In culture, you can actually sell it anywhere. This is what has happened when I did it Dance Your Doom. I said to SABC, Nai Jerusalem, it's a challenge. Everyone wins a challenge. You look at the dance space. We are commanding in South Africans. Even from the legends about Arthur, about Tsipa, and all these dance, you know, moves which they curated.
Yeah.
Yes. We are always commanding when it comes to dance.
True that.
So Dance Your Doom was all about that.
Yeah.
It's all about that. Look, culture is currency. We are taking our culture and then heightening it, re-envisioning, you know.
Yeah.
So khona benza ama-ballet manje, ballet with ama-piano.
Yes, I
ballet
saw
with, you know.
that. Yeah, I
So
saw
I'm
that.
happy
Yeah.
to see that.
Mm.
Mina personally, I believe in changing lives. I can tell you this, even with it Dance Your Doom, the kids who are dancing there, all of them now, they've got stable careers in that dance space. You can agree with me. Those crews, because we had a crew that won, he got $1 million, and then Bapusha Amachita, which was good. Everyone was part of Dance Your Doom. They started to perform Naguma Summer Awards, Metro Awards. So
We opened doors for
yeah,
them. Yeah.
we opened doors for them. We opened doors for them. Some started to have Konalama twins, Dube twins.
Yeah.
Yeah, they come from Dance Your Doom. Baningi njenganibalela bo.
All right. Nah. Yeah.
So Dance Your Doom, University of Dance,
Yeah.
Kwaito in Symphony, asibabulala abantu basaphila.
Yeah.
This genre is our culture.
Yeah.
Sizoba reviver and represent them to the
Yeah.
masses.
So you've only worked with one orchestra. Did you say Soweto?
Yeah, Soweto Theatre Youth Orchestra.
That's the only one you worked with. You're not looking to maybe use another orchestra?
No,
or
we'll use other orchestras in the future.
Yeah.
Hence, this year our outlook is to do a multinational tour. So even in Durban, we are in talks with an orchestra in Durban.
Mm.
Yes, but we go with our facilitators. I think we need to understand the touch points between us and Soweto Theatre Youth Orchestra. They've got a school.
Okay.
Ne? So some of the orchestra players are coming from the school.
Okay.
And then we've got facilitators who are scholars in their own right.
Yeah.
Fine, we'll move around with our facilitators.
Okay.
We believe in talent development.
Man, that's dope, man.
We
Yeah.
believe in talent development.
That's dope.
So Soweto is specific because mase sikhuluma iqiniso ikwaito ngeke ukhulume ngayo ungakhulumi ngeSoweto.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we needed to start there.
Makes sense, man.
You know, so as we move along, go KZN and other regions, definitely.
Hey, this man was also this man was hate.
Why?
I'm from he wanted to
Kumeka
cry.
Floma.
We saw it, so he wanted to.
No,
No, man,
Yeah, no, that's good. I mean, I have so much respect for Arthur as a brand and as a businessman,
Yeah.
as a legend.
Mm.
Yeah, and I told him, you know, when we started this, I was on a call with him for about 30 minutes, telling him about this idea. Look, this is what we are doing. And amongst the people who are part of the grassroots foundations, I'm calling you, even if you don't participate, just to ask for your blessings.
Mm.
To give, I believe in honoring,
Mm.
giving honor where honor is due. So I'm not talking about who's the king and what,
Mm.
but he was part of the movement. He played a very instrumental role in shaping the sound.
Well, why is, maybe I'm putting you on the spot here. Why is Abu Oskido and them not involved? I know Trumpis because it's,
Yeah.
associate, but someone like Oskido, that's why I was asking you about pushback.
Yeah, no, there are no pushbacks.
Mm.
Oskido is not money grand. So in future, we can definitely collaborate. I see he's also doing a re-envision of some of his catalog with some DJs, a few. They are doing a remix and, putting the modern sound.
Yeah.
So it's not money that I respect. So, but anyway, Masno Manda speaking, we have the same family. Yeah, so we also need to understand how he positioned himself. He was more on house to Oskido.
Okay, I hear you.
So I hope I'm making
Yeah,
sense. Yeah. But we don't have any beef or anything.
Okay.
Look, if Rotman, we can always reach out and collaborate. We believe in collaborations.
Yeah.
In my mind, what was playing in H2O.
It
Yeah.
is wonderful.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah, I knew. I said he's doing a hip hop one, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Umenzo noSpicho.
Yeah.
They can tell you. Amachita wamla. We worked with them. And namanje ngizobafuna lapha eSoweto ngize ngibathole. You know. Yeah, uSpicho ngiyazi kwakhe noMenzo I can still remember ukuthi uhlalaphi.
Yeah.
So amachita sispanile nabo and I want them to come back. So just imagine even a squatter camp. Because kahle iKwaito birthed all these genres. Before singafika siye ko Motswako and orchestra because Motswako is a different sound that you know.
Yeah.
Double HP
Yeah.
is the leader of that sound. May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
But also as we revive iKwaito, neMotswako nayo izovuka, you know. Khona bo DJ Limongs. Yeah, out in J Grand. We are business partners no Limongs. Khona siwenze eceleni together. So we've got the right people who have passion for this, you know. So we're gonna revive.
Yeah. No, thank you so
And
much.
retell
man.
the story.
Ratty. Like, I think this is also, I know you're giving a whole lot of people opportunities, you're opening doors, talking about schools of orchestra and stuff, but it's also in a way tapping into us learning about music. You're talking about shaking you know, like scoring music. It's what you're doing has a significant you know,
Output,
impact in the whole music industry, right?
True.
Everyone is talking about amapiano being maybe lazy kind of music, you know, people producing music today, tomorrow it's out and stuff like that. So you taking Kwaito and giving it another life and pumping life into it. Kudos to you, man. And I hope this grows and, you know, you get a whole lot of people buying into this. Thank you so much for honoring this interview, man. We really appreciate you as Cornercast.
Thank you, Mtimbane. Thank you, Vito. Thank you
Yeah.
for having me.
Temba's are great. Temba's are great.
Yeah, no, we
Great,
we
man.
revive hope.
Man, lose Temba, dog. Man, lose
Lose
Temba.
Temba.
Yeah, lose Temba.
But ukhona abakhulumayo kubi ngaboThemba angifuni sikhulume
Yeah.
sizoyishiya nje. Yabona
Yeah.
maba ngathi Themba bathi sibu.
Hey,
So,
Shayezi.
Yeah.
so you don't have a specific date, when is the next?
We do have the dates, but I don't want to give the dates, and I will tell you how these things work.
Okay.
Because we are working with partners, ama theaters, you know. So I don't want to give dates. Uthola ukuthi ama date ayashiftwa. Yeah. So I want to give dates sesenza vela a campaign.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, please.
We'll be honored to have you on
Where's the
board.
mic?
Let's hear me.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we'll be honored to have you.
In closing,
Yeah.
question.
You have a question? Where's the mic? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to understand where he's putting this money.
Do you have sponsors? Where are you getting this money to fund this whole thing? This beautiful
Okay,
thing.
mina ngiphume
Beautiful.
kasi. Umuntu ophume kasi uyaforced. Sometimes ngizokwenzela i-production yama-millions inganama-millions. Because ngiphume kasi. Ama-millions mawasithole ngendlela.
Yeah.
Uyayithola? I think this is the thinking that we want. To be honest with you, orchestra music is expensive. It's expensive. So you can calculate 40 piece. Ama-rehearsals, ama-logistics, kuningi nje. But again, resources comes from relationships. You can fail with your millions. I can succeed with my web of relationships.
That's deep.
Yabona? So I value relationships. Like for more than two decades in the game entertainment, music, film, TV, you know. So you build relationships and you sustain them.
Yeah.
That works for you. And you know, big up to Soweto Theatre. They partnered with us. We're rehearsing using their facilities, venue, sounds for free.
That's
Because they
nice.
believed in development.
No, shout out.
Shout out.
Yeah.
We couldn't pay. If I were to account how much we could have paid. Because it's Soweto Theatre, to book Gibson Nkete Theatre, you can pay 25k a day.
Yo.
So if we rehearsed 10 times for one show.
Hey, never call out.
So, no, but Soweto Theatre, into a
Yeah, yeah.
the mission in day one would asiphakamiseni
God,
kas.
that's dope, man. I love it.
You know, so we
I
are
love
all
it.
about that. So the relationships, and we are grateful, even to SABC. You know, we worked with some platforms as the SABC, but pushela lento kuma platforms on a relationship level. You know, these media houses you pay, but what we have given them actually are peanuts, but they were pushing us
Yeah.
just for the love of the culture. So yeah, resources comes from relationships.
That's dope, man.
So
That's dope.
sesikhuluma nalabo abajolayo, ungajoli nabantu abangeke bakufakele next.
Hey.
Relationships must come
Yeah.
with something.
Something.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we and value evaluation.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
So where do people find you? Give them your socials and yeah.
Yeah, no,
If
they
they
must
wanna
check us out. Kwaito in Symphony, all our pages. Mina, I'm not too much on social media, but yeah, ngiyatholakala. Mawuthola Kwaito in Symphony uzangibamba la.
Yeah, Pratim.
Yeah, uzangibamba.
I'll share this slogan. Let's talk.
Okay. Uthanda islogan.
Ah, yes, nah, yeah.
Bese
Dope.
ngicela umzile neskipa sikwaito in Symphony.
Ngabe sizitholile.
Yeah,
Maybe ezi-2 hayi abanye ngizothenga bafika support.
Just there.
Sizongaya 2.
Yeah.
1-1.
Yes.
And then laba abanye siyathenga.
Yeah.
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 So isize yakho ithi
Medium.
medium,
Large. Come on, the large.
medium and large. So islogan is simple. Kasi now, not tomorrow,
Yeah.
not in future. Now conduct its own orchestra.
Shout
nice.
out to our face.
Nice. Gonna cast, we are out.
We are out of this.
Big up to Conacast.
Yeah.
Hey, tada.
Thank you.
Honor.